In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So first, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap all three horizontal lines now showed in menu, scroll and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down and under Your Information, tap on Download Your Information. Tap on Continue. Then Request on Download. Choose the account for which you wish to recover messages and tap on Next. Now tap on Select Types of Information. Select what types of information you want to download. If you want to download messages, so deselect on and select Messages option. And tap on Next. For the date range, you can select a specific date or opt for all time. Make sure to select HTML format. For media quality, you can select Media. Once done, hit the Submit Request button. Now you have to wait for some time. This process may take 2 to 3 hours depending on the size of your data. Once the process is complete, your file will be created. Now move the file and open it.